Hi guys, this is Sajid Khan and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
Comedy Nights with Kapil, the episode has been loved unanimously. People have really
But highlight मैं बोलता हूँ देखो, I know for a fact that it has been loved. But there are still a couple of अभी छोड़ना. There's a couple of people who've written write-ups as to how Arshad Barsi and Sajid Khan brought the show down in separate episodes. So Kapil has been rushed back in. That's untrue.
No, but Kapil,
That's completely untrue.
he was
It
never
was always his show.
The best part is he was never injured or anything of that sort. He was there in US. He was doing
No,
shows.
he had a back issue.
But he was also in US doing shows.
I met Kapil Baba. I met him in his office before doing the show. And I wanted to clarify with him that I'm doing only one episode with him.
Right.
And he bhai, kar do bhai, tum to yaar, bhai, tum ho. But his back was really screwed. I know that for a fact. And I also know that Kapil had to go to US because of the commitment. Had it been up to him, he would have not traveled with that back. I saw him.
Achha.
He was getting back treatment when I walked into the office.
Must have been.
Yeah.
Must have been. Many are thanking Sajid Khan for the fact that he has ensured that Rishi Kapoor stays on Twitter.
I'm thanking
people are
Chintu ji.
discovering so many aspects of his personality. I think primarily because of the fact that you've convinced him to stay back.
Chintu ji, I wouldn't say that Chintu ji is my friend. Dabu ji is my friend.
Okay.
But Chintu ji is almost like a friend. He's way elder than me and he's someone I've worked with and I respect a lot. And we have a lot of laughs together whenever we meet or whenever we talk on the phone. And I enjoy him on Twitter just like most other people. See, Chintu ji, according to me, is the most unabashed person. There is no malice in his heart. There is no lying or there's no politics that he has or any substance in his heart which he wants to hold back and मैं ये बोलूँगा तो ये इसका effect ऐसा हो जाए. No, he's a very clean man. तो उनकी भाषा अगर आपको थोड़ी बुरी भी लगती है, थोड़ी harsh भी लगती है, it's okay. What's the big deal? He's not ridiculing anybody. He's not making fun of anybody. He's speaking the way it is. And he's very funny. So when he wrote that message that I'm quitting Twitter and I've taken it from the trolls and I can't take it anymore, I called him up. I even put up a tweet. I said, Chintu ji, don't go. And I am a big fan. I love him on Twitter. So I only did, he said, आ रहा हूँ तो तेरे भरोसे आ रहा हूँ तो यार वो लोग ऊट पटांग चीजें लिखते हैं तो I said आप पढ़ो मत. He said पढ़ूँ कैसे नहीं मैं? I said मत पढ़ो. I said मैं भी नहीं पढ़ता हूँ. बहुत लोग नहीं पढ़ते हैं. I said आप जब कोई पढ़ता है तो उनको पढ़ती है. I said मत पढ़ो.
Right.
I said आप अपने व्यूज देने आए हो कि दो लोगों के व्यूज लेने आए हो? तो he was very happy that I tried to convince him and he got convinced. And I was very happy that he got convinced.
I think what he has written about Radhe Ma recently and the entire all these expressing views, and you've always been known for expressing your views many a times.
No, but
I
never.
think,
I'll tell you strangely, never spoken in my entire career. I've never spoken about people's personal lives, religion, God, goddesses, politics. I've stayed away from it. I have only had fun speaking about people's films or the business of films or a particular ham scene or कौन सा गाना कहाँ से चोरी किया गया है. I've only done that. Just go through my entire career. I have never ever personally spoken about people's personal lives or like what I said, gods, goddesses, religion, Hindu, Muslim. I've never done that. I can't because I don't relate to that. I have my own personal opinions and personal views, and I respect everyone's religion. And I don't talk about any kind of controversies. You'll always see my tweets will never be anything controversial.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.